JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Wise account. So to do this is really simple. So here in my Wise, as you can see, I'm in my home page, and as you can see, we have a lot of currencies available right here. So to withdraw from your own Wise account, just go to send right here, and we're going to send actually to our own bank account so that we will have our withdrawn money. So here, you want to send exactly 1,000 US dollars if you're holding 1,000 US dollars. So let's just say we're gonna send it as our base currency as, let's just say, euros. So basically here the recipient will get 917 euros, and then there's gonna be a price comparison and the connected bank fee. As you can see, you can do wire transfer, bank fee, Swift, debit card, and credit card. So from there, just press continue, and then you want to enter your bank details. From there, you want to place the account type right here. If you want to send it inside Europe, there's going to be two things that are in the category right here. So let's just say this account belongs to me and check that. And then there, you'll just have to press confirm and the money will be on its way. So there you go, guys. That is how you withdraw your money from Wise account. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.